Lily, you saw me.
Tom, I need to tell you something. This is Rex, the champion.
Let's see who wins the race. Skinny Cat.
Lily. I will bring her back.
I need to defeat Rex.
Son, this bike is scrap. And you are very weak. Again! Take your time, Beta. Precision over speed.
I always remember the face of Lily. Lily!
I can do better. Speed has improved, but Rex's bike is still faster.
I'll work harder. I won't stop, no matter what. And here he is, Skinny Tom the Cat. First time ever in the championship.
Ready to lose?
Please, hold on.
I lost everything.
वो देखो, last place वाला.
No service for losers.
Rex is so amazing! So strong!
Will I ever get her back? Maybe I can never truly win.
Child, take this tea. Don't lose hope. My son failed once too, and later he won.
You're still here, working this late?
And you? Have you decided to give up?
No, not yet.
Small cat and trying to be best. This bike can compete with Rex's machine now.
Thank Babu.
Former Former last-place finisher Tom shews unexpected improvement after winning a small underground race last night.
Fluke high. Not the same anymore. Perfect. Controlled. Steady. I'm ready.
You're registering again, Tom? Here for another loss?
No, I'm here to win. This time, I'm ready. Is that Tom? He looks different. That bike looks serious. I'm not here to prove anything. I'm here to win.
Tomcat, what is he doing? This is unbelievable. A perfect launch, and now straight into second place.
Stay steady. Focus.
Tomcat wins the qualifier. What a perfect final corner.
Tom, can you defeat Rex in the finals?
I'm doing this for Lily. And yes, I will defeat Rex. And yes, I will defeat Rex. This little cat is challenging me?
Who do you think you are?
I think I can become a better racer than you.
I will crush you in the finals.
Try.
Lily?
You've changed a lot, Tom.
Without you, I had to change.
Tom,
I only wanted to be with a winner, Tom. Rex was the champion.
And I was the failure. I understand.
She met him? She went to see Tom?
Boss, please. Focus on the race. Don't lose control now.
I'm gonna destroy him. I'll end Tom on the track.
Good. Being the underdog suits me. Good. Being the underdog suits me.
So Rex is scared?
Tom's bike is illegal. Everyone knows.
Tomorrow, everything changes.
Mama, Papa, I will never give up. You both taught me that. Watch me tomorrow. Please be there.
I win every race. Tom is nothing.
Rex, the final race is tomorrow.
I'm the champion. I don't need preparation.
Ready, champ?
Today, everything changes.
This isn't just a race. This is my journey.
Tom. I'll race today, for all of you.
Overconfidence, his biggest weakness.
today, history is going to be made.
Tom's different now.
Lily!
Lily, why aren't you wearing Rex's colors today?
It's time.
The lights glow red.
Red! Red!
And now green. Tom and Rex launch aggressively, fighting wheel to wheel.
Tommel's race pace is matching Rex. Unbelievable.
Rex, he's too close. Increase pace.
Be patient!
Rex only needs one mistake.
You got emotional, Rex. That's your defeat. Rex, engine critical. Back off. Repeat, back off.
I will not lose.
Rex is crumbling.
Tom is going to win this race.
I will not lose. I can't lose. I'm not losing this. I can't lose. This isn't over. Not yet.
Tom nailed the chicane. Rex is too exhausted, Red.
Impossible! The skinny cat did it! Tom is champion!
Tom, you actually did it!
I did it. Tom. T-O-M.
You did it! You really did it!
No, this can't be real. Leave me. How does it feel to be the new champion?
This was just a dream, but now it's reality. Tom, over here.
One selfie, please. You're the champion. Everyone left me. I have nothing now. Lily, Tom.
I was so wrong. I underestimated you. I should never have.
Shh, it's the past. When you left me, I found myself.
I learned that I can be complete.
I still love you, Lily.
But if you come back for the right reason, not because I'm me. I always loved you, Tom. I was just scared of the struggles.
A new beginning? I'm never gonna let you go.
Promise?
This trophy belongs to you, because you pushed me to become stronger.
No, this is yours alone. You earned this victory.
Fix it properly.
Yes, sir.
Always believe in your dreams.
Lily, the pain you gave me when you left, thank you.
What?
If you hadn't walked away, I would have never become this Tom.
Good job. Good job, Tom.
Kids, success is important, but character is more important.
He's gonna be the best father.
Dad, I won. In the race and in life.
Thank you for creating this amazing cat.
We did it. Together. Best decision you ever made was leaving me.
And the best decision I made was coming back.